Our rain coverage is going to be pretty selective for tomorrow, kind of like how it was today. We are beginning to increase the moisture levels in our various levels of the atmosphere. So that's why we've had thicker cloud cover earlier today, but enough of a drier patch to allow the sunshine to come back. But deepest moisture is well to the west. And it'll take another couple days for us to really start to saturate our own section of the atmosphere to support broader cloud coverage and eventual showers and a couple thunderstorms. But we get that process going tomorrow in the form of an organized cluster of storms that will weaken as it moves into the Chattahoochee Valley and most of South Georgia into the morning time frame. That can bring the first batch of mostly manageable light rain totals with scattered or isolated activity elsewhere across the North Florida region. So we can see reduced amounts of sunshine tomorrow. It'll still kind of peak out every so often, so it's not going to be a total washout for all of us, but we can see these occasional waves of rain coming in every so often through the next few days. Now tomorrow, like I said, manageable rain totals. Seems like the primary focus will be inland areas and most locations about a quarter inch, maybe a few higher amounts, much less accumulation as you move farther south. But this overall pattern with a slow moving low pressure system kind of generating, churning the atmosphere, tapping into moisture, creating fast upward pattern, which will help to form clouds and promote development of rain and thunderstorms a little more frequently. Thursday, kind of scattered to numerous. The front kind of meanders a bit. There's still a lot of disagreement as far as exactly how this pattern evolves, but there is strong signal that we can see this setup giving us more times of rain more often through Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And it's very challenging to put a precise amount of rainfall expectation on the board, but the different versions of forecast data depict different things. Some are more prolonged with the rain activity, which means we could see upwards of 2, 3, 4 inches over the course of 3 to 5 days. Some are a little lighter. I would anticipate if you're thinking weekend plans, you got to factor in rain because I think there's going to be quite a bit of it for many of us. Forecast lows for tonight will be in the mid-60s. Tomorrow, clouds will determine what kind of warmth you get, but we'll aim for the mid-80s in general. And the rain coverage reaching about 40% of the region throughout the course of the day. The rain coverage does increase, but I do want to stress it's not going to be continuous all-day rain. So 70–80% coverage means some of us do have the chance of not having rain, but there's a good chance that we will, at least through the beginning of next week.